Shares of Nvidia have continued to advance. It has just printed a fresh all-time high of $208.05. This is Wednesday, the 29th of October 2025, pre-market session. The gain is 3.09%. Yesterday it gained 4.98%. You may have heard that the company has now entered into new partnerships with Palantir and Uber, expanding its AI footprint across data analytics, cloud infrastructure, and autonomous systems. Analysts are now projecting a mind blowing $500 billion in annual revenue, sparking talk of a potential melt up. This is where markets rally hard from sheer FOMO. There's also growing chatter around a possible US China trade deal that could boost Nvidia's chip exports, plus recent comments from Donald Trump praising Nvidia's Blackwell chip, seen by many as a bullish political catalyst. Still, not everyone is convinced. Some traders warn that the stock's valuation has already gone parabolic and that even small disappointments could trigger sharper pullbacks. But for now, Nvidia remains the face of the AI boom and it's not letting up. And the market's most watched stock right now. It is surely the most watched stock. So we have moved from a phase, or we're gradually moving into enterprise inferencing and all that stuff. But Nvidia is not going away. We are talking about AI is here now. We're talking about how it's going to be implemented and how inferencing. Enterprises, we are looking, all of us are looking and expecting to see enterprises, you know, embellish and make the most and drive productivity from AI. But Nvidia is still very much there. You would be expecting that for now it will be, maybe gradually going, into what I say behind the scenes, sort of, but no, it's just there. Probably it is the face of the same enterprise embellishments and implementations and inferencing. Maybe it is, you know. A couple of months ago, the Jensen Huang and I think Tim Robbins of Cisco, they were talking about connectivity and all that stuff, and yeah, the company is not going away. They are ever present. You want them in hardware, they are going to be there. You want them in because these partnerships with Uber and and Palantir. This is what we're talking about. This is enterprise AI. They themselves are pursuing it. They're not waiting for anybody to do so. They are right there in the scheme of all of that. You know. So in any case, this is its 4-hour chart. The extrapolation is saying that this strength will remain in place up till up till midday today, and then after that, it may go into a consolidation, which may go consolidation at some point. It may go distributive. It may go into a distributive contraction and then may attempt to resume the uptrend from Tuesday, the 4th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case. What we can clearly see here is that the extrapolation is not saying that it's going to continue the rally. That's based on this 4-hour chart. In terms of projections, we have 188.45, a downward projection. Of course, we know this intraday high, 208.05. Earlier on, we had projections as high as 211.87. Yeah, 211.87 as of Friday the 10th, as if the algos knew that something was going to happen today. But well, of course, the GTC conference was known, so maybe the algos correctly projected that was going to get to the highs of around $208, because we have here 207. It projected 207.65. So easily, all of its moving averages are trending robustly. So let's just have a look down here and see what the daily chart is saying. Even though, yeah, we could still have a look here. It's saying that the strength will remain in place at least up till Thursday. and then may go into a distributive contraction. So all in all, it's just a consolidation is what is expected, going all the way towards the 19th of November. Then after that, the uptrend may resume thereafter. Okay, no guarantee that this will be the case. Okay, do we have any fresh news here? Approaches $5 trillion market cap after a 5% share rise, fueled by $500 billion in AI chip orders and plans for seven supercomputers, boosting the value by $230 billion. Okay, announces $500 billion AI chip bookings and review plans to construct seven super computers for the US government. Announced the company has secured. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on. Just I think that should be it at the moment, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.